Hi everyone, JR with Secure Metals with your technical update here for both gold and silver. Today is Wednesday, February 5th, 2014. It is 2:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So wanted to give a quick video here. We still trading in this range here. Last time I mentioned we're still trading in this range. I did see some bullish candles here and here. So again, expecting this breakout here to come literally any day now. We've really been trading sideways here for quite some time. Actually, we've been trading sideways here for about, this is the daily session, so roughly 2 months and 16 days just trading sideways here. We had a fake breakdown, came back up here rather quickly, and now we're stalling here roughly around the 1260 range. We are looking for this to close above 1265. I think if we can close above the 1270 level, 1275 level, I think this thing will break out here pretty big. Anytime you trade sideways here for so long, the move in either direction, either to this, either the breakout to the upside or breakdown, usually you can expect it to be pretty big and pretty hard. So again, I am expecting, based on obviously job reports and really nothing coming out positive here for the dollar within the last couple of days. I'm really surprised we haven't broken out just yet, but we do have another nice candle here. And at this point, we're really just waiting to see if this thing is going to break out this way or break down to the bottom. I would hate to see a breakdown. Because again, if that's the case, we can really see a test of the low 1100 levels, probably anywhere between 1110, 1120, maybe even 1100. But again, as of now, still trading within this range. The stochastics are fairly confused, so again, at this point, we just want to see if this line is going to hold now. But I do like the fact that we are above this long-term trend line here. So hopefully, now we did see a spike up this morning after the bad report, and we did see this test 1274, I believe it was, but it didn't hold. So at this point, we want to see if this is going to hold. We have the 28-day moving average below us, as well as the 50-day moving average. The good thing about this 20-day moving average is it has curve, but it's still fairly neutral because it is pointing to 3 o'clock. You want this thing to point. You want it to point higher. It does look like we're attempting to surpass this 100-day moving average. I think it'll be great once this 20-day moving average crosses the 100-day moving average, and of course even better when the 50-day crosses the 100. As far as silver goes, okay, this is your silver chart here. Again, silver has been trading sideways here for, again, roughly 2 months as well. So again, as far as silver goes, silver, it does look like it's building a nice little base here. Has been finding a good support here on the 1864 level. I mean, really under this line here, we don't seem to stay below this $1940 line here for too long. Every time we go under this 1940, it seems like we do find some quick support and we're able to push through. But in the same respects, again, still trading within this range. We've been trading in this range here for quite some time now. Again, 2.5 months. At this point, if it does break above this 1250 range, this 2050 range, I'm sorry, if it breaks through this 2050 range, I'm expecting the move to be minimum come back here and test this 2280 zone, anywhere between 2280 all the way up to 2320, which is the 38% fib level here. Definitely looking to test this $21 level, obviously, if it breaks this easily. But again, the longer we stay sideways, the bigger the move. So again, a move above this 2050 price will most likely bring us to a target of at least $23, $22.80 to be exact. That's the first target, but of course I'd be looking to go higher again to the 24 range over this, and hopefully we can continue to go a bit higher. All markets will turn around eventually. We see this a huge move to the upside again. Obviously, very oversold. We had a big move to the downside, traded sideways for quite some time. Then you had another big move to the downside. But again, given the fact that we're printing 65 right now, $65 billion every month, chances are Inflation is going to kick in any minute now, and investors will find the value in holding the precious metals here long term. Again, a fall below this will probably target, I would probably say, this level here around the $17 level, possibly even this level here. Okay, so these will be the levels where I'd look to find some support if it does break down from this range here. I'll clean this up a little bit. So from this range here to here, again, a fall below this range here will most likely lead to at least $16 prices, at least $17, and possibly even lower, maybe around this level here, or possibly even this level. So again, only time will tell at this point, but I can tell you that production cost for gold is $1,200, anywhere between $1,150, actually $1,200 is where everyone has it pegged. For silver is a little bit different. Silver production cost is under 20. People have it between 18 and 20, and others have it between 21 and 23. A little bit more difficult for silver to find the cost of mining silver, because silver is a byproduct, so you don't necessarily mine directly for silver. But that's what it is. I just wanted to bring that to everyone's attention. We're still keeping a close eye on this market, and at this point I do expect a good breakout to one of the two directions, either up or down, but I do expect that it's going to be an up breakout, and we're going to test here this level here first, and then after this level we'll be looking to test this next level here at 24. So again, first level 2280, second level is 2456. Great time to get in here at this level here, of course, long term. That's about it, guys. Not too much to report. The Dow Jones has been taking a serious beating here. I mean, we've lost literally in the last couple of days, in the last week, we've lost roughly 7.5%, almost 8%. And I just saw a report that we could see a correction of 40%, maybe not now, but in the near future. So again, look at these charts and make sense of them yourself, right? So we're looking at this chart and currently trading at an all-time high. All right, 15,000 is no longer an all-time high. Yeah, 16.5, but point is, this is a high, this is your low, right? We look at that chart, and then we look at a gold chart or a silver chart, and you have to ask yourself the same thing. This is a high, this is a low. When do you get in? There's two things you can do. You can trade this market, or you can invest in this market. Trading this market will probably seem a bit more difficult because of the volatility or because of the misdirection that these metals have, and not just the metals, but commodities in general. But I think anyone that purchases these metals here at these levels here will find value in these metals here pretty soon. But again, nice, good bullish candles here, and at this point, let's just wait and see. I'll give another update here in a couple days. All right, thanks for joining me, and have a great day. Bye bye.